17.3 million views. That is 2 times the population of New York. Hey, I'm walking here.
Hey guys, I'm in New York City just hanging out.
Yeah, but 17.3 million views, and today we're going to be going over how much money I made from TikTok by getting 17.3 million views. Now this was before my ban, and I was in the creator fund, so I could see like the money fluctuate and see exactly how much money I made when I got this many views. Now most people do not make money on the creator fund on TikTok. It is through sponsors, which I honestly would agree with, because the creator fund, just keep watching, you guys will see. The creator fund is pretty sad. So online they guess that you make 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views.
Stop the cap.
So after multiplying 17.3 million views, which is just 17,300,000, and this thing guessed that I made $346,000 from those 17.3 million views. So we're gonna get into how much money I made per, I guess, views, and we're just gonna go over how much money they paid me for this video. Now I did enter the creator fund a little bit late, and also they did kick me out of the creator fund for some odd reason. On TikTok I made around, I think it was $44 in that one day. I got like 10 million views. Then the next day I made like $23. So overall I made 43 plus 23. I made $66 from 17.3 million views. Now online it says that I would have made $346,000, which sounds way better to me. Per view I made 0.000003 cents. That wouldn't be a cent. That would be a very small fraction of a cent. Now, if I really wanted to scale this and show you guys how much money I made after this, adding like how much popularity I've gotten, sponsors that I've gotten just from that video alone, and just all the stuff that came after, I got around like $600. But I did make a pretty decent amount of money just for uploading a video that was honestly like no point to it. It was useless, didn't bring any value. From that I did gain a lot of subscribers. I gained almost, I think, 400 subscribers. I also gained a lot of views. I gained even people trying to set up meetings with me and wanting to talk. A lot of scammers in my emails, but that is how much money I made with 17.3 million views, and I hope you guys enjoyed.